Anyway, welcome back to my channel, and also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah. I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, if I'm gonna rewind a bit, this is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which is, you know, just, you know, the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, well, we will just get on into this tutorial.
Alright, so first I'm using the Sun Bomb Lip Balm, and then I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow base in Nude. And then I'm taking the Morphe 35P palette and just taking this purpley mauve shade and putting that in my crease. And then I'm going in with this nice purple. I don't really know how to describe purple, but I'm just taking this nice, like, almost like electric purple shade on my lid. And then going in the center with like that lavender metallic shade. And then I'm taking this purple shade and just putting it in my outer corner. And then going in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner to make a nice ink liner. And then I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics HP Concealer in Nude Beige. And then Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand to highlight. Then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Golden Beige. And then I'm taking this Marc Jacobs retractable black liner, and I'm using that to kind of draw everything out. So I'm drawing out the nose, and then I think, and then I'm going to fill it in, eventually. And then I'm just kind of like drawing out like a beard type thing. I don't really know how to explain it. And then making it go down to my neck. And then I'm also using this to draw out the eyebrows. And I'm sorry if I can't really talk or if my voice sounds really weird. I'm sick and I'm just trying to get over it. Right now I'm filling in the nose, and I filled in the brows. And then I'm taking the Lorac Pro Contour Palette, and I'm using that to contour. And then I'm using the NYX Skin Parfait Bronzer. I'm sorry, it's not NYX, it's NYC. And I'm using that to kind of like make it even darker. And then I'm taking the Black Snazaroo face paint and using that to just kind of fill in the outer parts of the face and then the outer parts of my neck. That way it just like looks like a full-on lion with a black beard-ish hair, mane. I don't know what you would call it. And then I'm taking the white Snazaroo face paint, and I'm putting that in the center, like around my nose and mouth, and then a little bit on my neck as well. And I'm making like little like brush strokes along the sides. And then I'm also using that to create the scar on my face. A fitting scar. And then I'm taking on the sides of Beverly Hills lip palette and I'm putting the black shade on my lips. And then I'm putting on my wig, and I wore that wig cap the whole time. I look weird. Yeah, so now I'm putting on the wig, and that's it.
Alright, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making it, as well as all of them. All these look pretty fun. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pure Beaded bracelet or a SandCloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye!